Alright, well, we're back on this nightmare. She's been sitting here for the better part of 2.5 months. Waiting for the cylinder to get back, which was unfortunately expensive and took an unfortunately long time. But it's in there. What a horrible, horrible setup. The front bolts are okay, but the bottom bolts are captured on the bottom by a frame piece, and the top is too close to the cylinder to get a ratchet on it. So it's one flat at a time with a lock nut. Fun. I don't have the tie rods in it yet because I just got it hooked up, and I want to make sure it's not just blowing oil all over the place before we do anything useful with it. Okay, we still got fuel. I'm pretty sure we haven't leaked too much oil. This oil is from that poor old lawnmower getting ready to junk. That's 22 years old, just finally rusted out. Still runs good, but turn the key on, fire the glow plugs, see what we got. Beauty. That's good. No more leaks. All right, so we are going to carry on putting the tie rods back on it, and then getting this guard, which is unnecessary, but is trapped. I guess I could take it off. I just unconnected these hoses and popped them through. I may do that because this, I should have done that before, because this is really annoying to work on with that thing in the way. So I think that's what we're going to do now. We're going to pop this stupid skid plate off because we don't need it where we're going. Alright, so we got that thing off. Wasn't too bad, everything still works. And now we got the tie rods on. And we're kind of towed out a little bit. So we're going to attempt to straighten that out a bit if we can, and go from there. But she's coming. No leaks. Looks a lot better without that dumb skid plate doing nothing. Wasn't tied into this. No, it was not tied into here. So that's not changing anything there. Cool. Alright, let's get this thing aligned. Alright, well, we got the front end tied together. Let's take this thing for a little, see if it'll move, because it ain't moved on its own in months. Contact. There you go. doesn't work. Alright. Doesn't seem to be leaking. I gotta zip tie the boots onto that cylinder. Drives pretty good now. Front end now, it's a little towed in, but close enough. Alright, let's see what we got for fuel in this thing. I don't remember how much I put in it. Not too much, I could use a little more. And I got another bunch of hydraulic oil to put in it. Hopefully that screw has fixed my water issue. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to do a few more cleanup things on this thing and get the front end reattached. Maybe put my new seat on it and get rid of that boat floater and a sign for now. And then I got something that's going to be interesting to test. Back in a few. Alright, so got the front end on. Completely rebuilt that with a new skirt. I put an opening on this end to hope that it'll draw the air across it and just act like a vacuum. Got my new seat mounted. I haven't put the oil in it, need to do that. The other thing I've got is, I didn't buy the original filters because they're $200 a piece, but I got a couple of air conditioner type filters that are the correct size, which is a weird size, but correct nonetheless. And got those in there. That's supposed to keep the dust from blowing out and blowing all over the place. So I'm going to try that with this crap bag and see what that does. If that is not good enough, I have a bag that I believe will fit. It's not the right one, but it was fairly cheap. And there it is. And that one's fine enough mesh where if it can suck through it, we shouldn't need any post-filtration. Okay, I got to put the zip ties on those boots and put some oil in it. Then we're going to take it for a test drive. Alright, well, we got another 3 gallons of oil in it. Got the boots on and zipped. Everything seems to be locked down. Got the front end on. New skirt. Seat. After filters. Oil leak, because I'm not very good at pouring out of a 5-gallon bucket. Air in the tires. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, seat's pretty comfy. A little hot. Contact. Yeah, the amp gauge is working. Let's see what we can do down here. was hardly dusty at all. Those after filters worked a treat. Holy crap, they definitely worked. But, let's see what could be dripping. I don't see anything. Nope. Well, the connections look good. It looks pretty good. Steering was a lot better now that I got the toe in right. I don't see anything under there. Everything under here looks pretty good. There may have been some water in the frame because it has sat outside for a while and I come to a quick stop up there. That may have just been water in it. I'll bet that's what it was. So that's good. I think we got ourselves a unit. I think we got ourselves a viable little vacuum. She is running like a top. There. These will probably have to be knocked out every time they get used, unless I can get that other bag working, which I may try. But, yeah. I think we got something. I'm going to have to stitch this together with some zip ties just to hold it there. Yeah, I've got a little wear on it, but if I keep it real light, I don't think it'll be too bad. Not bad. Not good. But at least now it moves. So, she's a running unit. There it is. About the finished product for this disaster. The silliest thing was rebuilding that cylinder cost more than the thing. Of course, cost more than the whole unit. But I was not going to tackle that myself because I did not have the right tools to do that. Yeah, I think that she did extremely well cleaning that driveway. I mean, even just look down here where I turned around. It just got everything. You can see where I didn't go, where the grass is, and it's just right through here. It picked everything up. So, yeah, not bad. Now we're going to have to find something to do with it, which I might have an idea. Anyway, happy 4th of July. Hope you're all having a good day. Go fix something. Take care.